extremely. The most favored politician by BJP and RSS is me. That is why they love targeting me. They love, since they cannot talk to me politically and logically, they target me personally. They bring in me, my wife, my brother, my father, my family. Why? Because they cannot tackle me politically. They cannot tackle me logically. I have offered them hundreds of podiums for platforms to discuss, including in the assembly. In the assembly and the council, openly I have challenged them. Have they come? They come from a lineage of apologists. Veer Savarkar also said sorry. That same tradition is considered the same tradition is considered here also.